Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English with Guess Something Through the Words. Who am I or what am I? Number 1. Who am I? I live in jungle. I like to climb the trees. I like banana. Please guess. Who am I? The answer is, I am a monkey. Number 2. Who am I? I am very beautiful. I am colorful. I come when rain is fall. Please guess. Who am I? The answer is, I am a rainbow. Number 3. Who am I? I have 4 legs. I cannot move. You can sit on me. Please guess. Who am I? The answer is, I am a chair.
11 points will bring you